Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is fourth question of its exercise 11.1. So the question says that if there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. So firstly हम assume कर लेंगे. Let B be the number of boxes. So हमें given है if there are 50 mangoes in a box. So number of mangoes in a box given है 50. So total number of mangoes is equal to mangoes in a box into number of boxes is equal to mangoes in a box हमें given है 50 and number of box है B. So total number of mangoes जाएंगे हमारे 50 B. Thanks.